Hello everyone, welcome to Sock Mantra, and in this video we will create a standard VLAN on Cisco Packet Tracer, and let me take you to the lab objectives and lab tasks. So in this video we will take two switches and we'll be working on one switch by creating some VLANs, and those VLANs will be standard VLANs, and standard VLANs consist of VLAN number 1 to 1000, and we'll be creating 4 VLANs. And what are the tasks? We will assign a host name to the switch, configure the standard VLANs, convert the normal switch ports to access ports, assign interfaces to the VLANs, and verify the VLAN information. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let me just pull out Packet Tracer, and in this Packet Tracer lab, I will take two Cisco switches, the 2960 switch and another switch. We will not be using two switches, we'll be using only one switch as of now, and we'll use the other switch in our later labs. And let me name the switches. And as you all know, two switches will be connected using crossover cable. Let me connect. Okay, so what is the lab objective 1? So the task is assign a host name to the switch. Let me open the switch CLI, and we have assigned the host name to the switches, and we have to configure standard VLANs, and the VLAN numbers are VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, and VLAN 40. Let's go to the switch and create it. So the command to create VLAN is VLAN and the VLAN ID, and name of the VLAN is sales, name is sales, exit. The VLAN, other VLAN is VLAN 20, VLAN 20, name is HR, exit. VLAN 30, name engineer, exit. VLAN 40, name IT, exit. Okay, and as we all know, we have to convert the normal switch interfaces and assign these interfaces to the respective VLANs. And the first is fast Ethernet 0/5 to 6. So we have to get into the interface mode of the switch interface, and this is fast Ethernet 0. As we are assigning more than one port, we have to put it in the range fast Ethernet 0/5 to 6, and the task is to convert normal port to access port, switch port mode access, and it will be assigned to VLAN 10, switch port access VLAN 10, exit. Now interface fast Ethernet 0 to 7, 0, 7 to 8 will be assigned to VLAN 20, the HR VLAN. Interface range fast Ethernet 0 slash 7 to 8, converting the switch port to access port, access, and we will define which VLAN to be accessed. Switch port access VLAN 20. Exit interface range fast Ethernet 0 9 to 10, 0 slash 9 to 10, dividing the switch port, converting the switch port to access port, access, and defining which VLAN to be accessed, VLAN 30. Exit interface range fast Ethernet 11 to 12 will be assigned to the IT VLAN, and slash 11 to 12, converting the switch port to access port, access, switch port, access, defining the which VLAN to be accessed, exit, exit. We'll save the configuration, and we have assigned the host name to the switches. We have configured standard VLANs. We have converted the switch ports to access ports, and we have also assigned interfaces to the VLANs. Now let's verify the VLAN information. The command to verify the VLAN information is so VLAN brief, and you can see you can verify the sales VLAN is assigned to fast Ethernet 0 and fast 5 0/5 and 0/6. That is our lab objective. It's assigned to 0/5 and 6. The HR VLAN is assigned to 7 and 8. HR VLAN is assigned to 7 and 8. Engineer VLAN is assigned to 9 and 10. Engineer VLAN is assigned to 9 and 10. And the IT VLAN is assigned to 11 and 12. And the IT VLAN is assigned to 11 and 12. We'll go deep into other VLANs. As of now, we have configured and assigned the VLANs, and we have also verified the VLANs and the interfaces as well assigned to the respective VLANs. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. You have a good day, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.